The Creality Ender V3 Enclosure is designed to enhance your 3D printing experience with its integrated LED light strip, ensuring optimal visibility even in dim environments. Equipped with a state-of-the-art monitoring system, this enclosure provides real-time temperature and humidity readings, helping you achieve superior print quality. By maintaining a stable temperature, the enclosure significantly reduces the chances of print failures, material clogs, and jams, ensuring efficient and high-quality prints. Constructed with fire-resistant materials, it offers enhanced safety by preventing dust infiltration and accidental touches, making it a reliable choice for both home and professional settings. With its fast installation process, the enclosure can be set up in just 5 minutes, offering a robust and stable structure that minimizes vibrations during printing. The enclosure's wide compatibility with various 3D printers makes it a versatile accessory, catering to different models and sizes for a seamless fit.